Grande here representing E.T. and also Ariana Grande.
True, yes, the most nominated person of the evening.
I just love her so much.
Me too.
And I love you. Working with you was a blast.
It was so much fun.
I want to talk about Build On because you put your big brother money to good use.
I did.
Team America.
Yeah, I used all my $20,000 from Big Brother to build a school in Malawi in my grandfather's name. And I had to raise an additional $30,000, so I did that. I took my friends, and it's standing now with a plaque with Frank Grande right in the front. And his legacy is going to live on by educating kids for many, many, many years, and I'm so proud.
Well, let's talk about Ariana's tour a little bit because you actually hopped on stage with Rixton,
I
heard.
did.
Was that just the best time ever?
Okay, it was Madison Square Garden. So
No
I
big deal.
got to perform at Madison Square Garden, and I got to do Beyonce, and I was twerking up on that stage, and it was one of the coolest experiences. And I love Rixton.
Yeah.
They're fantastic.
You gotta swipe it left. That's the stuff I don't like, so I gotta left swipe left.
I know that you put out a music video for Left Swipe, but when can we expect original Frankie Grande music?
Well, without putting too fine a point on it, this summer.
For reals?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be pop music?
I don't know. It's gonna be something, but I'm really excited. I don't know. I'm working a lot. There'll be a lot new Frankie Grande material for you this summer.
Will Ari be collaborating with you?
I mean, that would obviously be this like a dream come true.
Yeah.
She's on tour now. She just added 80 more dates.
It's insane. The honeymoon tour.
80 dates. So we'll see. I mean, obviously, we're really close, so anything could happen.
Yeah. And the Zanky fans will actually kill me if I do not ask about what is going on with Zanky.
You know,
I need something.
I haven't seen Zach in a really long time, unfortunately. I'm sorry. But, you know, I still love him, and he's a great guy. I just haven't, you know, our lives have gone in separate directions since the end of the show. And it's just, I've been super crazy busy, and he's been, you know, doing his thing, and, you know, and he's straight.
You're
What am I
breaking
supposed to
so
do
many
with that?
hearts out there. What are you supposed to do, though?
I know, I mean, like, well, I can't marry a straight man.
But we love the friendship.
No, well, the friendship is still there. It's just been, you know, less at the moment. We're kind of busy.
I understand that.
You know?
Well, thank you.
Love
You're the
you.
best.